Good afternoon, friends. We are near the town of Marmoleo, and we are in a field where a solar plant with a capacity of almost 7 megawatts is being installed. We have shown you a 500 kilowatt field not far from this place. And now we are in a large field. This field is being built by our Costec, the company you know, and Edeltime. Our company ENERA is also honored to work on this field. We are installing at the moment a small station compared to these 7 megawatts. Our station is only 2 kilowatts, but it is also very important, and with its help we can work on this field at any time. Batteries are charged, CCTV works, communications and such. Alright, we'll talk about the field now. As you can see, this field, again, is almost 7 megawatts. Inverters will be installed here. You will be shown 300 kilowatts each. Italian inverters are very interesting. We will put them for the first time. That's what you are most probably interested in. Interested in how much it costs and how to invest in this business. So, 1 megawatt of station at the moment costs from 1,200,000 to 1,400,000 euros. This includes the purchase of land, all permits, construction of the station, and its support for some time. The payback period of this project is about 5 to 6 years, which is about 15 to 20% per year. I believe it is a very profitable investment. If you are interested, write in direct, and we will contact you. What else is interesting? At the moment you can see that all the structures for the panels are already in place. The panels are in the warehouse, and in the next 2 weeks here will be installed panels with a capacity of each panel 660 watts. These are very powerful panels of Trina company. These panels are among the top 10 best panels in the world. Here selected equipment is the very top. As you install, you will be told and shown everything. Stay tuned. Bye bye.